accelerate. Yo, I think we good, bro. 6-7 power strokes, Nitto Ridge grapplers. People keep saying 24x12 are small. Look at the difference. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know me. Back. You know the video. I think I'm kicking with your boy Q today. Guys, it's bright and early this morning. As y'all can see, we got Red here. Hello, Red. How you doing? I am back on the 12 watch. If you don't know, now you know. Guys, today we are actually taking Red here to get all her fluids swapped and done. When I say all, doing my transmission fluid, differentials, and transfer case fluid. She is almost 100,000 miles. She's at like 96,000 miles. But the reason I'm doing a little early is, if you don't know, I'm getting a lot of shudder when I'm slightly accelerating between 4th and 6th gears. 1st and 3rd is fine. Mainly in 5th and 6th, let's say I'm going to like 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, and I start to accelerate lightly, the truck it like vibrates. It doesn't do it when I'm under heavy acceleration, however. It's only when I'm doing light acceleration. If I gun it, it's fine. I do not get the issue. Of course, I did some research online, as you know, like we all do, and I found or have read, one guy said he solved the issue by changing his transmission fluid and getting a new transmission filter. Hopefully that fixes this shudder issue. I know a lot of y'all will probably comment below and give me some ideas, and I always appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna start here with the transmission flush and the differential flush and transfer case anyway, because like I said, it's time for that service. It is actually very brisk, like you see the wind blowing the trees. It is freaking cold. Cold front came through. Yesterday was literally 74. Today is like 50 with wind gusts of like 40 miles an hour. Like, out of nowhere. So anyway, this should be a really nice cold start. I think it's so loud. Y'all ask something, reach out to me and ask me about this exhaust. Is it loud? You can hear this exhaust down the street. I promise you. I kid you not. Started from in the house. I can hear it in the house clearly. Turbos, here they go. How many times I say this, people say, ask me, guys, that is an AWE 0FG non-resonating exhaust with the black diamond tips. I get asked that question over and over, and I say it all the time. Let's go ahead and drop the truck off. I am going to Elite Performance, who did my spark plug change last time, guys. I did spark plugs and boots. Oh, my I keep saying radiator, intercooler. When I did intercooler, they did that. So that's the shop they're doing to me again, working for me again today. So see y'all in a bit. Hey guys, I'm gonna try to simulate what I'm getting, so maybe y'all can hear it and see it. So I wanted to go into 5th gear. Okay, it's in 5th gear. And I start to lightly accelerate. Let's see if I start to accelerate. There, it just did it again. It did it. Y'all can't probably see it or feel it. Of course y'all can't feel it, but y'all can't. It's probably not registering on camera what's going on. It almost feels like, if you ever driven a manual transmission vehicle, it feels like you're in too high of a gear and the vehicle's sputtering. So if you driven a manual transmission, you know what I'm talking about. One thing I will say though, when it's cool outside, it's 50 degrees, registered on the thing. Ecoboost love the cold, bro. My truck performs so much better in the cold than it does in warmer temperature. These turbos just eat up that cold, bro. Like, it's just so much smoother. And if you own an Ecoboost, you know exactly what I'm talking about, man. All right, guys, so we made it here to Elite Performance Automotive in McKinney. I'm gonna run inside, drop the truck off, tell them what's going on, and then yeah, we'll see y'all in the next clip.
346 minutes later.
All right, guys, so we got the truck back. And guys, so Elite Performance, what are you? There they go. Right there, baby. Elite Performance, man. Y'all come check them out. Cool dudes, bro. They know they stuff, man. So if you want some work done on any vehicle, it probably can get you right. See, I'm gonna try to experience it here driving home, but it's just heavy rush hour traffic. It's 5 o'clock. Let's see, we'll go to 5th gear. Accelerate. Yo, I think we good, bro. Hold on, let me see. I'm starting on 50. Let me just accelerate slowly. I'm not feeling it, guys. I'm not feeling it at all. If that fixed my issue, I'm gonna be so excited for real. All right, what's up guys? So it's actually the next morning, man. I'm actually on my way to the gym right now. There was so much traffic, I really couldn't get a feel for the truck yesterday, but I'm getting a good feel for it now. And I can tell you that Shudder is gone, bro. I'm at 58 miles an hour right now, and I'm about to just go ahead and accelerate really quick. And usually 56 gear when I feel it the most, so here we go, accelerate. It's in 6th gear now. I'm gonna do it one more time. Usually in 6th gear is bad from 60 or 55, 60. Here we go, accelerate. It's completely gone, bro. It is gone. Thank you, God. So honestly, guys, that seemed like that was my issue, man. And like I said, I did read on some forums and online that people said a transmission flush, transmission filter usually solves the problem. I'll do it again. Yeah, it's gone, bro. The Shudder, that is gone. Like, it is gone. So if you having this issue, a lot of y'all reached out to me on Instagram when I commented this, or one of the platforms. Oh, look at this. That's an Indian. That's a beautiful bike, bro. Gosh, yes, sir. I go cap, man. I'm thinking about getting another bike, guys. Like, I really thinking about getting another bike. Right now, I'm accelerating again just for the transmission swap and flush, guys, a new filter. The truck is moving through the gears so much smoother, bro. Right now, you usually get some vibration, but I'm not getting that at all. Like, it is completely gone away. Now I'm headed to the gym. Do y'all want a workout gym video? Do y'all want to come meet to the gym, bro? I know a lot of y'all say y'all are interested in stuff, so yeah, come on, let's go to the gym, man. We're gonna do a gym workout, and I'll talk about what I'm gonna do when we get there. All right, guys, so I'm at the gym. 25 fitness. Y'all know I play football, so a lot of my workouts used to be, for years, be big, strong, as fast as possible, you know what I'm saying? So I'm getting a lot older now, so I don't really lift heavy like that. I lift heavy still, but you know, back in the day, I used to bench like 420, and then I used to squat almost 545, you know, just strong, but I don't do it anymore. Lately, I've been doing for the last few months full body splits. So basically every day, not every day, like 3-4 days a week, I usually do a full body workout. So I basically hit each muscle group one time. Pretty much go to failure on my work, on my sets. Like, so if I do 3 sets of 12 to 15, 12 to 15 reps is usually hard to get through, you know, so that's what I've been doing. I like it. It's something I can stick to. That's the thing about fitness, man. Just find something you can stick to for the most part. A lot of people tell you like what to do, this works best. Just find something you can stick to, bro. Because you're gonna stay committed, be more consistent, you'll see results in the long run. So anyway, yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so next I'm gonna move over to some shoulder press here real quick. I just did a set, but it was real light. So I just went up 20 pounds total. I'm trying not to sweat all over the dang Lord, bro. But yeah, here we go from shoulder presses. Last few reps right there, you struggling. A lot of people want to quit. I used to quit, I ain't gonna cap. The last rep right there, the money when you struggling, that's where the money is right there. That's when the muscle is really being forced to grow. So that's where you really want to push through those last few reps. Yeah. So today is like a barbell day. Make sure I try to use a barbell for all my exercises. And it really tests my grip strength. So that's how I like it. But grip get way fatigued, way faster than everything else. So I'm about to be back. I think the weight's a little too heavy, but I don't feel like taking the weight off. It's a little lighter. So we're just gonna thug it out. See what happens. this machine right here, let me show y'all. These are like the kind of like the new chest machines. You know, I actually use them a few times, and they're actually pretty good. You feel a lot of contraction in the musculature. So this machine right here, you put your feet on there, you got chest press. I'm gonna show y'all here in a second, but yeah, I actually like it, man. Like when I first seen it, I'm like, man, what the fuck? But you get a lot of muscle contraction, a lot of isolation. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what these look like here. I was able to do 20 reps right there, pretty easy. So I definitely need to go up the weight. If you can get to 20 reps very easy like that, then you need to up the weight. You're not going heavy enough, bro. It depends on what you're doing. For me, I don't want to be able to do no more than 12 to 15 of these. So I'm probably add about 20 pounds. See how that feels. I am gonna show y'all this curl machine. I've never used it before. Check this out. Like, you sit in this chair, right? Curls up in the chair. First time I've ever seen this. So I'm gonna try it out. Let y'all know what I think. Y'all can see what we're doing. More range. The bottom kind of stops. It works though. It's a good little burn. I definitely feel it working in the biceps for sure. I just wish it stretched more at the bottom. But other than that, it's pretty good. Guys, so we leaving the gym. I ain't gonna lie, I had a pretty good workout. Actually, very good workout. Probably one of the best ones I've had in a minute, actually. Sometimes it's cool too, just to change the environment, you know, from the gym I usually go to. If it's just smaller, like a home gym, but this is like a big commercial gym, you know, just being in a different environment, different ways to just kind of a little extra pep in your step. But I actually burned quite a few calories according to the watch. They're not exactly 100% accurate, but yeah, I burned about 700 calories, and I stretched for a little bit. I didn't show y'all that, and then I sat in the sauna for about 7 minutes. Ooh, let me show y'all this really quick. Check this thing out. The new, brand new 2020, what's this, 3 Super Duty. This thing is clean. With the white emblem, how y'all feel about the white emblem on the nose? Kind of stands out a little bit, like, not in a good way. Like, you know, I think he probably should have made it black with a little white writing, but anyway, F250, 6-7 power strokes, the Nitto Ridge grapplers. This thing is clean. Like he did something to the front, like a shield over the eyes, right? I mean, over the headlights right there. It looks pretty interesting. Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35, 12.5, 20, so probably like some 20x9s, 6-7 power stroke. It's nice. I mean, it's nice. That front end still not my thing, but you know, it's okay. Side step on the side. It looked like he had a go back, show y'all the front here really quick. Looked like he had a ready lift already on here, so I got a nice little stands to it up front, as y'all can see right there. Yeah, he got a ready lift, like a ready lift leveling kit right there. So it's a lariat, but it's nice. It's cool. It's not bad. I'm not feeling a white nose right there, but it doesn't look terrible though. Look, you got a Ram 2500. Look at red, and that's 37 by 24 by 12, guys. And people keep saying 24 by 12 are small. Look at the difference. Like, my truck is taller than this Cummins right here, 2500. So he's on, I seen when he came in, some Toyos, Open Country. I'm not sure these are RTs or MTs. I like the MTs. Moto Metal wheels, like some 20 by 12s maybe. Ruby red, same color. Got the light bar down there in the front. Like literally almost same truck. Cab lights up top, which is what's called standard on these trucks. Beautiful red though. Cummins turbo diesel. Got the steps. It's a nice truck, but I'm showing y'all, man, these 12 wides, people say they're not wide. They're pretty wide, bro. Like, camera don't really do it justice, I'm gonna be real. Like, in person, a lot wider, but yeah, I'm actually taller than he is. But I'm on a 6-inch. I'm not sure if he's on like a 4-inch lift kit, probably. I doubt he's on a 6. Maybe he is, I'm not sure. But yeah, so nice comment, man. I heard him when he came in. Sound really, really good. Get y'all butts to the gym, man. Make sure y'all working out. Take care of yourself, bro. I'm telling y'all, your health is the most important thing you have. I keep telling y'all this, man. Like, I'm learning this. The older I'm getting, you don't be running to the doctor every 2 or 3 weeks or every month following up on health-related issues. You don't want to be in a bed rest on the hospital. You know, trust me, bro, you don't want those problems. I'm telling y'all, that ankle injury I had, bro, how much money that costs just for ankle injury. Not even like a surgery or nothing, just an injury, bro. Just an injury, bro. It's just crazy how expensive healthcare is. So do the best you can to take care of yourself, man, so you can avoid that. You think about this, $30, $40, $50 membership a month at the gym, a few supplements, some protein powder, or you want $1,000 doctor bills is what you're going to get. That's the trade-off, seriously. So a lot of people say eating healthy is expensive. Trust me, hospital bills and visits are a lot more expensive than eating healthy. So make your choice, man. But anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.